Just calm down, calm down. Daddy, you want to go?
Oh, okay. What about you? Spirit.
She can be doing the deal. Try to do the deal. Try to do this. Up. Dear. Can you stand up?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I did it. Money kí wá sọ pé oúnjẹ yín ti ready.
Wa no. Torí àtàárọ̀ tí mo ti wà ńbẹ̀ ni mo ti ń fi mú kó tí mo bẹ ń ta sasa mo yẹ tó ń bọ̀. Ó ṣe. Ní la máa ṣe máa bá ẹni dání.
Má lè dé ìgbà nípa ṣẹ́gun. Ó láwọn wá dúpẹ́ ìdìyàwó àwọn ọ̀pẹ fáwọn olówó fún ìyàwó àwọn. Mo ṣáà dúpẹ́ nítorí pé àwọn mọ́ṣáláṣí mi ò ṣe ní kó wá bá yín. Mo ṣáà dúpẹ́ ó máa ń dúpẹ́ fún ọmọ mi.
Olúwa ló máa ní gbogbo ọpẹ́ ló máa ọpẹ́ tó ń dún jẹ. Wọ́n dá lóhùn wo tó bá ti dìgbà míì bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá ti ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ lọ́wọ́ máa dá padà sí lágbàdá má jẹ́ kó báyìí. Ẹ̀dá ò gbọ́dọ̀ máa dúpẹ́ kankan lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀dá Ọlọ́run nìkan ló ní gbogbo ọpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀. Ìyàwó mi kékeré ńkọ́.
Ọlọ́run ló yọ wá. She had an attack. Ọlọ́run ló yọ wá. Ọlọ́run ló yọ wá. Mo kàn ṣáà ń gbọ́ wúrúwúrúwúrú ìgbà tí màá fi dé sálẹ̀ báyìí mo ti bá kò lè move lọ síbi tí ìhélẹ̀ wà èmi mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ gbé báàgì mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ yọ jáde fún ká ní pé mi ò tètè débẹ̀ Ọlọ́run ló mọ ohun tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ báyìí.
Allah ó dojú ẹ̀ wọ̀. Má fi ọmọ pa mí lẹ́kùn má fọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ ìdá mi láàmú iṣẹ́ wo mú iṣẹ́ tó wá le tó yìí.
Sherry, asthma is not a disease. Ní agbára Ọlọ́run, ó wá ní ó dẹ̀ máa lọ. Kúkú bímọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Kò ń ṣàrùn kan, kò ń ṣàrùn kan tí yóò lè lọ. Ọlọ́run tó dá wa bá wa àgbà ń bẹ̀. Àgbà ń bẹ̀ Ọlọ́run á fún lálàáfíà. I'm sure she's going to be fine.
Àmín. Ó ṣe tó tètè dá mi padà. Ó ṣe tó ran ìgbàgbọ́ tèmi náà lọ́wọ́. Kò lè má ṣe àbẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kọ̀ọ̀kan. Okay, back to my mood. Kí ló ṣe?
Mo gúnyán ni pẹ̀lú ọbẹ̀ ẹ̀gúsí.
Fún mi, wọ́n kún wọn lè máa gún ráìsì mo ṣe ń gbọ́ pa pò. Ráìsì ò lè dùn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn yẹn náà ló máa jẹ. Lemat, do you know one thing? Ṣorí ọ̀nà tó rú lọ́nà tó lọ sí ọkàn ọkùnrin. Obìnrin tó mọ̀ bí ọ̀pọ̀. Mo wá dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run àpé ìṣe ìyàwó àtàtà tó mọ̀ ọ̀nà náà fún mi. Ó mọ ọ̀nà tó lọ sí ọkàn àyà mi. I love you, and I love you so much. My joy is
ẹ̀dá kan ṣe làálàá ní ibi orí máa gbẹ́nìdé agbẹ́nìdé bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá kánjú jorí àṣejù ní ibodè ló ń lọ ó máa bẹ̀rù ẹ̀ níbẹ̀.
Traffic were everywhere. Not being sure.
Mo pè fún endlessly o gbé kọ́.
I'm sorry. But I'm going to drive making pick calls.
Even if it's an emergency.
I'm sorry. Are you adding go?
To be no. To the hospital.
Hospital. Èló lẹ ti wá rí nínú owó yẹn.
30k tó fún wa ní last weekend náà ló ṣe wà lọ́wọ́.
Kí la máa wá ṣe báyìí?
I don't. You had to try for me. That is the iPad earlier. In fact, we got a phone, we got a go. We just set up.
What? You don't have to do all that. Hey, but daddy, but
no. Now we very well that to try for one. But my only fear is I don't want to lose my sister.
Soji, nothing is going to happen to your sister. She's not going to die.
She's all I have.
It's okay, Soji. We'll find a solution to it. Stop crying, please.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, all right there.
And you want to be alone? Come raise the woman. How we found? This is a matter of life and death. I promise, Joe. Because Joe, you need to see the pain she's going through. It's too much. Oh, she. Josh, if you walk on, get me peer para because the love of my life is here. At least only can not share any reason to move in for now. Yeah, I'll show you come back peer para. Thank you. Oh, you feel me? How are you? You do know how you? How are you?
I'm fine. How you doing? How are you guys?
I was just trying to see if I can raise some money off Kunle. Please, sincerely, if you settle because you need to see her. You need to see what she's going through.
It's okay. Container Adedimeji Dini. I'll try and see if I can raise some money for you guys over the weekend.
That's if my sister is still alive till over the weekend.
Soji. Why to Shimano Kurube?
You know I don't. I'm a very positive person, but the situation of things, she's crying by the day. She's going.
Sister, nothing is going to happen to her.
I pray so. But weekend is just too far. Too pretty far. Yeah. Yeah. Really?
It's your way out. Check this out. Can't follow you.
10 million naira reward. Are you a joker? Are you joking? I don't want to aware. Guy, let me just think straight. His present in Nigeria.
What's that?
Má dá lóhùn, ọmọ kan ló sọnù. So our parents want to buy one rí. Ọmọ fún ní 10 million naira. Now come to think of it, who will pay such huge and ridiculous amount for ọmọ tó sọnù? Ṣé 10 million naira? Guys, sorry, let me just think straight. Let me just.
You think so? Oromola, sorry, you. 10 million naira is nothing. My dad can pay 10 times that amount of money. Yes.
Are you kidding?
He can't.
Okay, what do you take her for? She's the apple of her dad's eye. Daddy of Ishere. Ayode, can you do me a favor, please? Could you please just shut up? Let me think straight now. I don't want you saying just so long. Just please, for long, bear.
Don't worry, it's alright. Hi there.
Going. You're all alone about what you die. And you're bringing me don't worry. Joe, I just for you so coin. You all I've got. I know we can do this successfully, and even if it doesn't work out as planned, I promise I will not mention your name to anyone. Just please, be all I have.
Soji, it's not like I can't, but...
Calm down, honey. Calm down. I promise you, they will not ask for too much. You can't really afford now. You, please. Please. You. Please. Please.
Okay. How much are we talking about here?
I'm thinking 5 million naira. Yeah, so I'll need 1.5 for abroad. I will give Ayode 1 million. Then you and I can have the rest.
Oh.
Please.
Okay, in that case, what's the plan?
You game.
Okay, now, this is the plan. We're going to call your dad with your phone on Thursday night.
And then we tell him to meet us in an isolated place on Friday night.
No, slow down, guys. I thought you said call me in the trunk of the car.
Yeah, just chill and listen to the plan carefully.
What is wrong with you guys? Have you forgotten I've got asthma?
See, Coin, you're just going to be in the trunk of that car for 3 minutes.
3 minutes?
Yeah. Even less.
Sorry, I'm not cool with this boot thing.
No, trust me. Maybe I will ensure that your inhaler is with you. What about that? It's gonna work. Come on, work. Hello.
I know I will never do anything to detriment of your health. You know how much I love you. And you know I'm not ready to lose you now. I'm ready to spend the rest of my life with you. I don't want to lose you now or in 70 years' time. I want you to lean on my shoulders for the rest of my life while I lean on yours. You know you mean the world to me. Without you, I'm empty. I love you the way you are. All we need to do is just need your dad to drop the money, and as soon as he does, we'll tell him where the car is. Then we'll come get you at the back of your car. This is less than a minute or thereabouts. Only please, just do this for me.
Exactly.
All my fear is, and you guys, share the show come and work, sha.
Sure, it's gonna work out.
Kilo share to show be.
It's not me. I don't want to lose my baby anytime soon. Are you sure? I'm double sure.
Ibi orí máa gbẹ́nidé, agbẹ́nidé bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá kánjú jorí àṣejù ní ibodè ló ń lọ, ó máa bẹ̀rù ẹ̀ níbẹ̀.
Ẹ ṣe bí o ṣá máa tẹ̀lé mi lọ àbí?
That's if you don't change your mind.
Alájà, kí ló dé ọ̀rọ̀ last week ló tún rí fáṣí yẹn?
Kò ń ṣorogún mi ló gún jáde ní last week.
Ṣé bọ́mọ ẹ ni mo mú jáde? Ṣé mo máa bọ́mọ ẹ jowú ni?
Mi ṣe lè bá jowú. Ìgbà tó bá fẹ́ gbà pò mí lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, mi ní bá jowú.
Excuse me. Oh. Hello ọ̀rẹ́. Báwo ni o? Wo mo ti send owó yẹn sí wọn. Irọ́ kò tọ́pẹ́. Ọlọ́run ló ní gbogbo ọpẹ́, Ọlọ́run ló jẹ́ ká dúpẹ́ fún. Kí la wà fúnra wa fún? Oh, not at all. Astaghfirullah. Not at all. Okay. Hello, ọ̀rẹ́. Ó dẹ̀ ṣe favour kan fún mi jọ. Bí mo ṣe ń bá ẹ sọ̀rọ̀ ní kọ́ ìyàwó mi kékeré, the daughter mi, ó ti wà ní call waiting ní ìdẹ̀mọ́ tó fẹ́ sọ. Jẹ́ n sáré gbóhùn ẹ̀ máa pè ẹ́ padà. All right. Ó ṣe. Màmá ẹ̀, Alimatu Saadiya Àgbékẹ́mi, ṣàlàáfíà ni. And who is this? What? Kidnappers. Okay. Èmi lè ń bá sọ̀rọ̀, Alhaji lè ń bá sọ̀rọ̀. Okay, yes. Please don't hurt my daughter. Please. Mo ti gbọ́. Sherry, everything tẹ́ bá fẹ́ ni máa fún yín. Ẹ ṣáájú ẹ má ṣe nǹkan kan fún ọmọ yín. 5 million naira. All right. Mo máa fún yín. In as much as you don't touch my daughter, mo máa fún yín. Ṣé gbọ́? Okay, it's fine. All right. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you.
Mo gbọ́. Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló dé?
Wọ́n ti kidnap ọmọ mi.
Mo dáhùn. Kí ló wá ṣe?
Ọlọ́run fẹ́ 5 million naira ransom. It's okay.
Jẹ́ ká pọlọ́pàá.
Ìwọ àlè pọlọ́pàá.
Let's call the police right now.
Àlè pọlọ́pàá. Mo ti sọ fún ọ̀pá àlè pọlọ́pàá. Àlè pọlọ́pàá.
Ọmọ mi, ìbá ló ṣe gbé. Pọlọ́pàá ni wọ́n kú alájì pọlọ́pàá.
Alájà, you scared that I give them my word.
What?
Ẹ pọ̀ mo ní mi ní pọ̀ mo ní wà láì tẹ̀lé àṣọ bọ́bílẹ̀ náà síláwọ̀ mo ní mi ní pọlọ́pàá.
What cannot do anything right now? Ó dídí èèyàn.
No. Alájà mi ní pọlọ́pàá. Cheers.
So tell me, how do you feel now?
I should tell you a lot. My fear is I hope you won't get the police involved.
Wait a minute. Ìgbà what can you continue to find?
More call you to do. You more go to the number of
Okay. Now I get a clear picture.
Well, I will not get the police involved.
Oh. Okay, now I'm relieved. Because mo daddy mi dada. Tí Alhaji bá ti fi lè sọ pé àwọn búra o, àwọn forúkọ Ọlọ́run búra pé àwọn ò ní ṣe nǹkan wọn ò ní ṣe.
For real?
So now I'm 100% sure. Pé wọn ò ní pè ọlọ́pàá.
I hope so.
Yeah,
I'm very sure.
Yeah, just to luxurious life, glamorous life.
And I wish your sister gets well. Alright.
That's quite important. And I wish your boyfriend comes back on time. What's up now? You're heading straight to the road.
Oh, he's gonna come back.
Don't worry. Have fun.
I pray
We'll
so.
leave you with your couch.
New
season for me, uncle.
I'm not gonna watch it.
Where is this something?
It's in the car.
Let's get it. Please. I'm scared. Listen, you want to be a man. At this point, there's no room for fear. Okay. Just calm down. All right. Sorry. yá nísùúrù àròjọ mùsùlùmí nísùúrù máa nísùúrù. Jẹ́ńbẹ́ gbèsè. Àbí kí ló ṣe tó ṣe báyìí? Yeah, what's your head? It's for safety purpose. You never can tell. This man, easy. Let's go, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Are you okay? Let's go. Hello? Ọmọ kò tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀. Ẹ sọ fún ọkùnrin kọ́ máa bọ̀ kọ́ gbé dọ́tà wọn. Mọ́tò yẹn wà bí ti ibi bẹ̀yẹn exactly. That same spot. Kọ́ máa bọ̀. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Make sure pé fóònù o ti pa fóònù ẹ̀. Alright. Okay. Ọmọ mi wà ńbẹ̀ yẹn ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ gbà mí mo dáhùn set up tún lélẹ̀ ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo mà dáhùn hello gẹ́tùmá.
Hello, Mr. Jim. Alpha now. Naaki. Mr. Jim, level don't land. Mad level. Baba, if you see him, he mad go along. Yes, now. Oh, na mad car. The car mad go. If you see how the thing take happen, self, na miracle. One driver wey dey drive the car, the guy just come up for inside the car, just go strolling, go somewhere. As I see him like this, music dey play, everything dey pop. I just enter, I just zoom up. I just land. As I land house, I say make I call Mr. Jimo. Make you come see level, say as they go. Along 20 minutes, you reach here. He mad gone. I tell you. No wahala na. No wahala. Good day, sweat. Mr. G. Nothing to you, Mama. Nothing to you. Hey.
lásán nínú boot bọ́ọ̀lù mi ṣe fẹ́ survive Ọlọ́run.
Alájà a ní kẹ́ ṣe sùúrù ayé ronú ayé kóra yín sí ronú lágbára Ọlọ́run a máa rí ọmọdé. Alájì ẹ jọ̀ọ́ tí n bá ní ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí mi irọ́ ni o kí ló dé tí ẹ involve àwọn ọlọ́pàá náà.
ẹ ṣáà jẹ́ àfilẹ̀ bá ṣẹ́gun ẹ mú tọlọ́pàá fún mi for now please.
Alájì kí ló tó ń sọ pé kẹ́ pọlọ́pàá tẹ́lẹ̀ ní ọ̀pọ̀lọpàá ṣé bá ṣe jókòó sílẹ̀ bí ẹni tó mọ̀nà mu.
ẹ̀dá kan ṣe lálàrí ibi orí máa gbẹ́nìdé agbẹ́nìdé bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá kọjú jórí àṣejù ní ìbọ̀lẹ̀ lọ́wọ́
wọ́n dẹ̀ ní pé ká fún àwọn olówó Alájì dẹ̀ fún wọn dẹ̀ release daughter mi.
mi ò mẹ́tí mo ṣe.
Alájì, but I spoke with her yesterday. Ó dẹ̀ ní òun lọ sí salon. Nǹkan tó sọ fún mi nìyẹn.
Yeah, simply she told me she was going. Yeah, not too long till after 7 p.m. ni àwọn arábí yẹn bá pè mí wọ́n láwọn kidnappers o àwọn ń kọ́ àwọn ti jí ọmọ tèmi gbé kí n lọ máa mú ransom 5 million naira wá.
Ṣé dẹ̀ fún wọn?
Alájì fún wọn Alájì fún wọn ò gbélẹ̀.
Oh, Alájì, why tẹ́ fi get ọlọ́pàá involved?
Alájì ni a máa pọ̀ ọlọ́pàá o.
But Alájì, gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọgbọ́n ọmọdé tèmi, I think it's high time tó yẹ kẹ́ involve ọlọ́pàá.
Ọgbọ́n ọmọdé náà dẹ̀ ni ṣó ti gbọ́ má jẹ́ òjẹ́ high time tí máa involve ọlọ́pàá rárá torí òògùn ju gbogbo àwọn tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀sẹ̀ lọ.
Ẹ má bínú sà.
O tẹ pẹpẹ fóònù bí ẹni tẹ́ àtẹ̀dání ṣáàrà dákẹ́ let me just handle things my own way.
Ẹ má bínú sà.
Rẹ jókòó sórí iṣẹ́ àmọ́ ẹ̀ bọ́lá ọ̀ṣun fẹ́ ni àdánwò ní fọlọ́mọ jẹ́ aládàtọ̀ ẹ ti gbọ́ kẹ́kẹ́ kọ́ máa ṣọ̀pọ̀ wọ́n mi á padà wáyé. Àbọ̀ kitchen ẹ ṣe oúnjẹ fún ẹjẹ́ jẹun please now.
Jim. Hey, Baba, no verse. I dey do some things inside and it make me stay long. See, now the car be this. Everything still dey okay. The car still clean, gone. Look and check out. Everything still dey alright.
Yeah, I like it, but I can't pay more than 500k.
Abba, 500k. 500k for this kind car. The car still clean now. Everything still dey okay. Look am, check am now. See am.
I really want to help you. I can't pay more than 500.
But you know, say I need this money. I need the money desperately. That's why they do all this kind of thing where they do now. You know now.
Money, no.
Yeah.
No problem. I beg. Now you have to wait for. Now you be my hope now. I depend on you. I beg. Make you no fail.
But I beg, now you are going to wait for tomorrow. I no get any other hope. Oh. Now you be my only hope where I get. I beg, no fail me. I beg.
No problem. Just make sure you test me the account.
Well, like you can't do okay, girl. If you see him for express, you can't just they move. Voo, voo. Now you they go.
Why? To be punish you by. I cannot pick on any sin go that year. Why she go to whom you deserve this kind of punishment from you, oh God.
It's okay, Anaja. If you want to pay in condition, let's say alright, if you mind, I see.
I just want my daughter back.
Same here. I want my daughter. God punish you.
Kọ́lọ́n kò ṣe àwọn ọmọ ọlọ́mọ. Ọmọ tí ò lálàáfíà lọ títí.
mo wọnú yàrá ẹ̀ nígbà tí mo débẹ̀ mo rí gbogbo àwọn inhalers ẹ̀ ó kàn wà ńlẹ̀ ńbẹ̀ ni bóyá ló mú kankan dání àwọn tó dẹ̀ jí gbé yóò ní mọ̀ pé ọmọ yìí ò ní good health tó dáa tó yẹn kọ́mọ́ tiẹ̀ wá lọ ṣe léṣe before time kọ́mọ́ tiẹ̀ wá lọ ṣe kọ́mọ́ tó wá lọ sọ bí aláàbò ara fún wa kó tó di pọ́n tiẹ̀ máa sọ pé okay àwọn fẹ́ release ẹ̀ I'm just so bothered about so many things.
ó máa ní spare one nínú ká ẹ̀ besides dánájà ń bo ní mọ́ni ẹ̀ wà ìgbà tọ́mọ yìí wà nínú ẹ̀ wọ́pọ̀ lòun tọ́jú ẹ̀ kò tí ìjọwọ́ ẹ̀ ń gbà ẹ̀ débi kó máa fún lóúnjẹ ẹ̀bẹ̀ nìkan ló tọ́jú ẹ̀ tó fi kúrò ńbẹ̀ gbogbo àtà tó wá ń mú lọ sùkúl kékeré tó ń ṣe gbá tó ń ṣàwò ṣáwà là ń wà ńbẹ̀ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ tá à ń tọ́jú ẹ̀ ọlọ́run tó ń tọ́jú ẹ̀ gbà yẹn á tọ́jú ẹ̀ ká fi ọmọ mi sínú kankan nǹkan kan ò ní ṣe ó dá èmi lójú.
They can involve our policemen. I mean, let's involve the police because igi kan ò mà lè dágbó ṣe ọwọ́ ẹyọ kan náà kẹ̀dẹ̀ tún rèé kó máa gbẹ́rù dórí agbájọ ọwọ́ náà dẹ̀ tún fẹ́ sọ̀yà o ẹ jọ nítorí Ọlọ́run ọba ọwọ́ ẹyọ kan ò ní dá pàtẹ́wọ́ nínú ọ̀rọ̀ tá a wà yìí mo fi Ọlọ́run ọba pè é tó bá ní àgbè ẹjẹ àgbè bó ṣe yẹ ká gbé let's go to the police please ọkọ mi ṣàánú mi.
It's okay. Jẹ́ ká fún wọn di ọ̀la tó bá dọ̀la tí anything bá come forth àwa ṣe pé àwọn àtìláwí sí ṣùgbọ́n for now jẹ́ a máa dá wọn lóhùn tí wọ́n ṣe fẹ́.
I think you really need to calm down on the way you're spending money. Kí ni problem man? Ó kọ́ ra gbogbo ẹ̀. 3 days ago you just got a new car and go lọ fi 250,000 naira. You don't go waste owó. What's the problem man?
Saji,
You
don't tell an adult how to spend his money. It's not my fault that we haven't found a girlfriend.
I want you to find her. I'm going to spend all that money. You're spending as if you own the money. Let's find her before you start spending. That's what I'm telling you. I don't blame you. You walk all over there and say, "Baba, man, no so the 100 naira mi buy. Oh, I don't know, but no, no. Oh, so no, no, anyhow. Man, you need to step down the way you're spending money. I don't care.
I have the think tank. I have a brain. You're just sitting there like a loaf of bread.
Now, boy.
And that's what we hashed, you know that?
Now get this. The thinker is not the worker. The executor is the worker.
Only people like I execute perfectly.
I was there, Trout.
My brother, me monja brain now. Me monja brain. Me lori e now.
Only playing
me lori e. Mr. Popov. Me lori e.
I will spend my share the way I want to spend it.
You cannot spend the money the way you want to spend the money.
You're going to tell me I'm going to spend my money.
What me sorry?
You're telling me I have to spend my money.
It's not your money.
If it's your money, you'd have been dead by now.
Anyway, share those, you know.
Hey, yeah.
Just close. Don't ask me for more.
Look at my dad telling me don't ask me for more. If I need money and you sleeping, I'll steal your money and nothing you're gonna do. Fuck you, you don't know anything about law.
Why do you owe me?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay.
You should at least untie me now.
No. I can't.
I Secretito.
Where is my car?
Sold.
You sold my car. Only here, right?
Mi kì í ṣọ̀lẹ. Mi kì í ṣọ̀lẹ.
Only here. What's our motto me?
How they not get like that? Are you? Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Abeg, na Mr. Jim I dey look for.
Mr. Jim no dey. Mr. Jim don't travel yesterday.
Where him go?
He don't go Ghana. He tell me say they go Ghana.
Ghana?
Yes. Hope no problem.
When he go come back?
And that one I don't know. I don't know when he go come back. You just tell me saying they travel.
Okay.
Hope no problem.
No. I beg, if you come back, let me tell and say I come.
Oh, okay. Waiting be your name in case if you come.
Okay.
Oh, okay. I go remember to tell her. Anything for boys?
Nothing.
Bye-bye. Hello, sir.
Who be that?
Now that Mr. Akin.
That yeah man. He don't go.
No, he don't go.
You is the boy in your yeah.
Charlie, Baba, Obsha.
Open the gate.
Don't get me on here.
Hold it, Joe. Hold it to me, sílẹ̀. Kí tí ẹ pé mọ́mì mi, kó lè mọ̀ pé mo wà lálàáfíà.
I will free you, but not yet.
Kí ló dé tó ń sunkún?
I need you to come with me somewhere. After then, I'll let you go.
But where are you taking me?
I am not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna kill you.
Okay. Ma tell you. Me ni pe ọlọ́pàá. Ma tell you. I promise I won't call the police.
Ṣe ni Alájà insist wípé kí n ṣàlọ report ọ̀rọ̀ ìfọlọ́pàá. That is the best. Advice tó fún ẹ mo rò pé òun nìkan ló lè salvage situation yìí o. Àbí ṣé ìwọ lérò wípé ọlọ́pàá nìkan ló lè help wa kúrò nínú present position tá a wà yìí ni?
Kí ló rojọ́ fọlọ́pàá?
Yes, of course. Àwọn ọlọ́pàá nìkan ló máa mọ the right way láti fi salvage situation yìí. And kí la wà fúnra fún tí màá lè sòótọ́ fún ẹ as a friend. So if you make up your mind now, jẹ́ àwọn sọ́dọ̀ ọlọ́pàá.
I've been observing you for some days now. You don't seem to be alright. What's wrong?
I'm glad you can see that.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀?
Tí mo ta mọ́tò ẹ̀ fún. Níjẹ́ mo mọ̀. Ó gbówó mi sálọ.
Ṣé mọ́tò ẹ̀ ni àbí mọ́tò mi?
Whatever.
So, when are you releasing me?
Ẹ̀rù ń bà mí. Ẹ̀rù ń bà mí, and I don't even know what to do with you anymore.
I've been here for a week now. Please at least let me call my boyfriend or my parents. Please. Just let me go. I've known you for some time now and I'm sure you're not going to kill me. Please. I've studied you and I know you're a very nice person. I know you cannot harm me. Just let me go.
Ìfẹ́ lọ sẹ́wọ̀n, ìfẹ́ lọ sátìmọ́lé. I don't have a doubt about you, but I'm just scared.
You should just trust me. I promise when I'm out of here, nothing is going to happen to you. I'll protect you. I promise. Just let me go.
You sound so sure. Why should I even trust you?
Please.
Hey, baby. We will go.
owó owó ẹgbẹ́ kánúkò ohun tó ń fa ọ̀dà kódà owó ṣe lágbára tó kò lè rà mí kò lè rà mí kò lè rà fẹ́ o ohun tó ṣe yẹ bí ẹjọ́ láyé owó ò lè rà o.
What are we doing here? Don't you trust me anymore? Mo tó sọ pé mo mi lọ síbi kan ni. Just calm down. Let's go inside. Ibi orí máa gbẹ́nidé agbẹ́nidé bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá kánjú jorí àṣejù ní ibodè ló ń lọ ó máa bẹ̀rù ẹ̀ níbẹ̀.
Ọ̀rẹ́ mi kọ́ni sọ́lá ló kọ́.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ àbúrò mi.
Kó àbẹ̀wò. Ọlọ́wà fún iná láfíà mọ́.
Ẹ̀jẹ̀ àbúrò mi.
Aki, ṣé kìí ṣe ọmọ òbí tó ní pé ó fún ní 150,000?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni.
Ìyá mi, ó máa ṣe okó àgbálẹ̀ wa. Ṣé mo dúpẹ́? Ìwọ náà jẹun. Ojú mi tí ẹ̀ àṣírí ẹ̀ náà. Èṣù wa níyà ní méjèèjì.
100,000 péré ni bíl kù.
Láti 500,000 naira. Mo sọ fún 100,000. Ojú tí aṣọ ìwà jẹ́ ọmọ.
Mommy, mo promise yín pé by this time tomorrow, a máa ti san 100,000 naira tó kù mọ́.
Ṣé gan-an? O dúpẹ́. O kó ojoojúmọ́. Wọ́n ló ṣèjú.
Let me use your phone. I need to call my boyfriend. He's got the money.
You guys have been friends for years. Why don't you settle out?
Between you and I, seriously, there's nothing between us.
What is true?
I never said you. Excuse me. Hello?
Coin! Oh my God! Where have you been? Oh, I've been dead worried about you.
Hope you're okay. So why didn't you call me? Oh God, I'm so happy. I'm so happy my baby's alive. I'm so happy. A passerby? What do you mean a passerby drove you away? Are you joking? Oh, listen, all those are relevant for now. Huh? When we see, we'll talk more about it. I love you. I miss you. Oh, it's so good to hear your voice again. Alright, baby. I love you, honey. You're good. Oh, goodness.
Soji, why didn't you tell her I'm here?
Oh,
sorry. Oh my God. She's alive.
Yes.
What? Did she say a person drove her away?
That's what she told me. She told me. Can you imagine? I'm sorry I didn't tell her you're here. I'm so overexcited to hear her voice. And Sagi, what have you done? Actually, I was trying to get our dad's number from my phone, so I forgot to turn it off. Gosh.
You guys are scaring me right now. And if you don't tell me what this is about, I'm going straight to Coin's house.
Jaye, is it? Oh, this man. Say something. What? Gosh.
Let's go to Soji's house. He's got my money.
Thank you so much. I will be forever grateful.
Kotopa dear. But níbo ló ti rí 400,000 naira tó sọ fún hospital bill mommy.
I stole a motorbike.
What? You shouldn't be doing that. There's so many ways you can make money. You should at least get a job.
I can go any length for my mother. Lóòótọ́ mechanic ni mo ń ṣe tẹ́lẹ̀. Before I got sacked because of my mother's illness. Ibi tí mo ti ń sáré káàkiri. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo ti pàdé Mr. Jim. The person I sold your car to.
Was he your boss?
Not at all. It's just anything mo máa ń ta mọ́tò fún anytime I need money for my mother's illness.
It's okay, dear. I understand. I'm so sorry. Anyway, let's go.
Are you being serious?
Yes. It was all meant to be a joke at the initial stage. Go to the pay one passerby call you from nowhere to drive her off that scene. But you know how much I love Coin. Me ever put her into such an endangering risk.
So Coin was part of it as well?
Yes.
Hey people, Kotetonwo wasn't funny at all. Ṣé you mọ̀ wípé Yorùbá máa ń pòwe wọ́n á ní ọmọ ẹni kú ó sàn ju ọmọ ẹni nù lọ. Kote ṣe yẹ ó lágbára gan o.
That is all that chill now. Chill. Chill can easily present to one space you recover. Planning. Calm down now.
I lost my dad at the age of 10. So now how it feels to lose someone.
It's okay. We all know how it feels. Because I told you we lose any couple.
So, kí wá ní way forward báyìí?
The ball is in your court. Owó ẹ̀ làwà báyìí, jọ ń torí Ọlọ́run. Ṣé àpá wá sí ni màmá wá síta?
Owó ń ṣàdúrà lọ́wọ́.
Ọlọ́run á kú gbàdúrà wa. Alájà, kí ló dé tí ẹ tẹsẹ̀ lébọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí?
Kò dìbò, ẹsẹ̀ lékè. Tẹ̀lé mọ̀ wípé Aláàjì ò tiẹ̀ ní fẹ́ gbọ́ rárá. Tó bá ti di ọ̀rọ̀ wípé bóyá ká tẹsẹ̀ lébọ̀ nǹkan tàbí ká ṣe nǹkan kan, ẹ ti gbà wípé ọkọ mi ò fẹ́ gbọ́ rárá ni. He doesn't like such.
Mo mọ̀. Àmọ́ èèyàn ò lè máa wo ọmọ ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Ṣé ni Yorùbá kan náà ni gbogbo wa? Yorùbá dẹ̀ bọ̀ wọ́n pòwe. Wọ́n ní ọmọ ẹni kú ó sàn ju ọmọ onísọnù lọ. Kẹ́dẹ̀ máa wo mo ti jáde sọ̀rọ̀ yìí o. Wọ́n dẹ̀ fi ń yé mi pé a máa rí ọmọ yìí.
Bọ́lá máa rí ọmọ.
Assalamu alaikum.
Alaykum salam.
Debo, Jọ, kí ló ní wọ́n sọ fún ẹ̀mí kan?
Ọ̀rọ̀ Kọ́yinsọ́lá yìí náà ni. Mo jáde sí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ yìí. Ibi tí mo dẹ̀ lọ, wọ́n fi ń yé mi yí pé títí ìwòyí ọ̀la Kọ́yinsọ́lá máa fi ẹsẹ̀ méjèèjì rìn wọnú ilé yìí.
Dìbọ̀. O ṣe mọ̀ mí lé ní o dẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ mí lánàá. O dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé mi ò nífẹ̀ẹ́ sí à ń jalè yẹ̀mí wò àbí à ń ṣe gbogbo nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ káàkiri. Why?
Alhaji, ṣe rí èmi rò wípé Ọlọ́run kan náà gbogbo wa kò kún sí. Ọlọ́run dẹ̀ tún wá kájò in a case like this.
Ọ̀rẹ́ má bínú. Eré ájú ọmọ lèmi náà ń ṣe. Ájú ọmọ ni mò ń ṣe. Mi ń wò pé kí n má fi wàhálà yìí dá èyí nìkan. Èmi náà ṣe ní kí n sáré jáde lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí kó má dàbí pé èmi náà kí ẹ nípa fámìlì yín.
Èyí dì náà sọ̀rọ̀ mustaqim. Àfinimọ̀nà Ọlọ́run ọba. Ọ̀nà tá a tọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ yìí. Àfiwọ́n kò ní jẹ́ àṣìná. I think I should be on my way to the police station.
Station bíi ti báwo? Wá sọ̀rọ̀ station tẹ́lẹ̀ náà. Plan wa tẹ́lẹ̀ ni pé ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn Dúnlámì là ń lọ. Ìgbà wa ló wá make up mind pé station ló tún lọ sí.
Ibi tó gbà lọ ń sẹ́ni.
Sórí wa àtàwọn last minute decisions yìí. Anyway, wá kí station náà ló fẹ́ lọ. No problem. Àjọ lọ náà ni.
Alhaji, èmi ń wò pé bóyá kẹ́ ẹ yọ̀ǹda Débọ̀ fún mi kó ń dúró tì mí.
Ọ̀rọ̀ yín jọra bí òun ní òun lọ lè yẹ̀mí wò ìwọ ní àtiwọ́ àtàwọn oníyẹ̀mí wò Ọlọ́run kan náà lẹ́jọ́ ń sìn. Alájà ìlà ńlá ọmọdé.
Ẹni ìwé a máa dúró díẹ̀ tó máa fi dé. Alájà, báwo ni ṣe kó pẹ̀lú rẹ̀?
Bí mo ṣe ń kó pẹ̀lú ọkọ tí mo ti fẹ́ látọ̀dún wò. Bá ṣe jọ ń kó pẹ̀lú ra wa náà nìyẹn, ó dẹ̀ ti mọ́ra. Ó ti jẹ́ ká gbé yẹn ti sẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́. Ìyẹn kọ́ ni mo fẹ́ bá yín sọ́nsìn. Ẹ jẹ́ ká padà sí ìdúró lẹ́sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan nípa pé bọ́mọ tèmi ṣe máa wálé. N kò fẹ́ béèrè. Ṣé ilé aláàfáà lẹ lọ ni àbí ọ̀dọ̀ pásítọ̀?
Ká má kúrò ọ̀dọ̀ babaláwo ni mo lọ. Àmọ́ bàbá yẹn ó fi ń dá mi lójú o. Ó ní ọmọ yẹn sẹ́ àmàrí títí ọ̀la. Ó ló máa fẹsẹ̀ ìrìn wọlé níbi ṣe sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan. Bàbá yẹn ò dẹ̀ mú forí. Gbogbo bá ṣe ń sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ló ṣe máa rí.
Ṣé wọ́n ṣàṣọ pé rírí ni?
Ṣé ẹ gbà mí gbọ́ ni? Àti bàbá yẹn ó ń fi oògùn ẹ̀ gbá rí. Mo dẹ̀ trust ẹ̀. Kò mọ́fọ́ fún mi rí. Gbogbo ìgbà tí n bá dọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀ báyìí máa bà bẹ́ẹ̀. Trust me.
Thank you very much. Are you ready to go sit?
By the way, this can go.
Hospital.
Hospital. What do you mean? Wait a minute. Your sister is still in the hospital. Are you trying to tell me that my dad didn't pay the ransom?
Newspaper, the Bible talks in the back.
News what?
Newspaper.
No. Are you for real?
I never lied to you. How will I lie to you? Newspaper. Newspaper, the one who's in the back before.
Okay. In that case, your sister, she's bye.
Papa, what is important to say?
Can I have my phone?
Yeah, sure.
Phone,
Yeah.
I need to make the call. See what I can do to me.
What's it?
So, what are we going to do now? What are we going to do?
I'll think of something. It's going to be fine. Okay?
Do you trust your boyfriend that much?
Yes, I do. I trust him with all my heart. I do.
Henry. No problem. Ṣé wàá máa lọ lẹ́sìn? Mo ti bẹ̀ fún tọ́pẹ́.
Thank you very much for everything. I really do appreciate it. It's really nice knowing you. And make sure you take very good care of yourself. And of course your mom. Okay?
I will.
I have a plan. Share it. You might need to move phone anything. Back with mommy. You tell her, like, why explain for me? Mommy phone ransom. I don't know if you get me. Just pick up your phone, call her like you just hold me back for ransom. She'll pay, don't worry.
You can't. You heard what your boyfriend said. He said they didn't pay. Oh, so what? They didn't pay.
Okay, you just have to do this now. They're surely going to pay this time around. I've been away for a week. Follow my instructions, please. Shebi wishes off way. Okay, one thing.
I don't even know. I kept my phone.
Wọ́n ní pé a máa san 2 million naira.
2 million.
Ṣé o bá ọmọ mi sọ̀rọ̀ ṣá?
Mo bá sọ̀rọ̀, she sounds okay. Òun wà okay bí mo ṣe gbóhùn yẹn.
Ìgbà wo wá ni wọ́n sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ gbowó náà?
Wọ́n ní pé 3 p.m. tomorrow at the same place.
Bó ṣe wọn fi àmì ṣá. Kí ni assurance wípé tàbá tún fún wọn lówó yìí àárọ̀ ọmọ gbà?
Ṣé bí ngbà tó ń kú débọ̀ wá, ṣé bí ẹgbọ́n gbà tó ń sọ pé wọ́n sọ fún mi wípé àwọn lọ sílé babaláwo, pé babaláwo yẹn sọ fún àwọn pé ọmọ yẹn máa fi ẹsẹ̀ rìn wọ́n nílé.
Mo sọ fún alájà, I told you. Mo ní mi ò fi máa gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ní ẹ lọ sílé yẹ̀mí wò, ẹ má máa gbé wá sórí ọ̀rọ̀ ọmọ mi nínú ilé mọ́, okay? Ọlọ́run nìkan ó ní decider. Tó bá fẹ́ kárí ọmọ yẹn, bismillah, àárẹ̀. Tó bá tún sọ pé ká má rí ní ìdàkejì, nílì kò sí kọ́tẹ́ nìkan máa ṣe.
Ọlọ́run má jẹ́, Ọlọ́run má jẹ́, ní rọ́mọ tàbí Ọlọ́run kì í ṣèkà. Ire lọ́lọ́run ọba ń ṣe gbogbo ìgbà. Báwo ni ò ṣe ní jẹ́ kárẹ́ ọkàn ṣo ta tún bí?
A fi Ọlọ́run bẹ Ọlọ́run pé kó jẹ́ kárí ni. But ó ní yẹ̀mí wò yẹn, mi fẹ́ máa gbọ́ mọ́, jọ. But alájà, tó bá pé mo máa fún wọn ní 2 million naira yẹn, mo ní láti gbọ́ sí. Torí once beaten.
Twice shy to say.
Twice shy. Mo ti sọ owó alájì gọ 5 million naira lákọ̀ọ́kọ́. Mi ò ṣetán àtọ́ ti san owó alájì gọ again 2 million naira. No, I got to be smart this time around. And mo máa pe ọlọ́pàá wọ̀.
Ọlọ́pàá kẹ̀? Ṣé èdè rò pé àwọn ọlọ́pàá wọn ò ní bá nǹkan jẹ́ fún wa?
Ṣé bọ́ọ̀ ló ń pariwo ká ọlọ́pàá lákọ̀ọ́kọ́? Ìsìn òṣèwà lọ́lọ́pàá máa bá nǹkan jẹ́.
Ṣé mo pẹ́ tó ń gbà yín náà pé kó má bàa bàjẹ́? Ilé inú kó má bàjẹ́ ni.
Wọn ò ní bàjẹ́, ṣùgbọ́n bá ṣe máa ṣe nìyẹn.
Ọlọ́run ṣe Ọlọ́run ṣe.
Maybe you should call her and tell her that we are here.
Hello? We are here already. Hello, ma. Where are you? Please hurry up.
Are you scared?
My heart is pounding.
It's okay. Where's the toy gun?
It's here.
It's okay, just chill, alright? It's gonna be fine.
Fún ẹ lówó tó béèrè. O ṣá béèrè ní last week. I gave you 5 million naira ní last week. So eléyìí náà mo máa fún ẹ. Ṣá kànra tí ẹgbẹ́bọn yẹn kúrò lórí ọmọ mi. Please. Àníbà mo ti fún. Mo fún ẹ. Àbí ṣé mi fún ẹ? Mo fún ẹ. Gbogbo eléyìí tẹ̀sí tún ṣe mo ti máa fún ẹ. Ṣùgbọ́n ṣáà bẹ́ẹ̀ mi gbébọn yẹn kúrò lórí ọmọ mi. Please. Please, I saw you.
You drove away. Tó wọ mọ́tò lọ rú tí mò ń gbé ẹ̀ má ṣe báyìí fún mi. Tó gbọ́ mọ́tò lọ àtọmọ mi pẹ̀lú ọmọ mi nínú trunk. Tọ́lọ́ dẹ̀ tún ṣe tí mo tún rí. Ṣáà fìbọn yẹn lẹ̀ mi ò rojọ́ máa fún ẹ lówó ẹ̀. Fìbọn yẹn lè ṣe. Gbowó ẹ̀ lẹ́yìn.
Whatever you have, feel free to give. Cause you can wake up one day and see it all gone. Nothing we have was truly ours.